Hey love, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about how to do your effective morning skincare routine. Okay, at least I'll be showing you how I do mine. As someone, if you're someone who is still trying to get into skincare journey, this will also work for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do mine. I've already washed my face, so the first thing I will do is to cleanse. I have this cotton pad, so I'm going to cleanse my face. I use this product by Neutrogena, okay, to eliminate any pores, any pimple planning, any acne planning to come and live on my face. So the first step is to cleanse your face. Here is my cotton pad. I'm going to use it to, I've already washed my face. This thing contains salicylic acid and it's so minty, like, I don't know how I injured myself while bathing this morning, so that place is a bit red. It's not dirt on my face. This is what I do. Sometimes I extend it to the back of my ear, inside my ear, especially when there is no dirt. Extend it, to get everywhere clean. Anyway, we don't have a lot going on here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use my toner. This one is also from Neutrogena, right? I'm just going to take a little out of it. I just put it on my hand like this and press it on my face. Just to get back the moist. So if you're trying to start your skincare routine, is good. I mean, one reason why you should clear your skin, your face first of all, is because when you shower, sometimes you don't get out all the dirt. You understand? So you have to cleanse it first. That's what I did. Now I'm going to wet. Right now my face is dry, as you can see. It's dry and shining. So the next thing to use is this one, Snail Mucin. I know many of you knows this. This is to hydrate my face. I usually take like 3 pumps. It's very okay and perfect for me. I just put it on my hand like this and press. You see the slime? This is how we do it. This will take a while to dry anyway, so we're going to give it some time. Extend that to your neck, to your neck, to your neck. Most times I do this before actually wearing my clothes, but because of this video, that's why I'm doing. Sometimes I extend the remaining ones at the back of my hands. Next product I'm going to be using is Dr. Rachel vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face cream. Okay, I use this the one I was using before is finished, so I'm trying to open another one. If you're looking to start your skincare journey, I highly recommend you using this. I mean, some people say you used to break them out, but hey, it does wonders to my own face. Oh wait, open it upside down. Okay, so this is how the cream looks like. It is very good. It is very good. So what I usually do, look at it. It's very good. So what I usually do is my finger is clean, so I just put just a pea size amount. Sometimes I put under my eyes as well. Serve as my eye cream. Okay, so this is enough. So if you're looking to start a skincare journey, this is one of the simplest routine you can start doing. Don't do anything so crazy. So put it on, rub it in. I like taking my time to get all the parts of my face, my eyes. Let me tell you, if you're looking to start your journey, listen, I enjoyed myself. If you're looking to start your skincare journey, I would advise you to keep it really simple, like really simple. If you want to get all the products, if you want to use 1001 products on your face, the products might be good, but it might break your skin barrier. Do you understand? That's what I'm even suffering right now. So I decided to keep my routine very simple. So this is my face after the cream. I don't want to make it look, I don't want the cream to be too much on my face. So guys, don't forget, all the products that I have used in this video, we have them all available. Okay, this is the last one. This is the sunscreen. This is how I apply mine. I just put two. We have other sunscreen, not only this one, but this one is pocket friendly. You don't need to break the back. I do know sometimes I used to extend my sunscreen on my lip. I didn't ask you to do that anyways, but I used to just extend it on my lip because I have dark lips. So guys, when you put your sunscreen, when you put on your sunscreen, you have to let it sit for a while so that everything will just melt in. Because if you just want to rub it and go away immediately, it's going to have a white cast, a lot of white cast. I know there's a little bit of white cast, but it's not actually looking that bad. Do you understand? So yeah, this is how I do my skincare routine, morning skincare routine. Very simple. So the last thing I usually do is just to put a lip gloss. This red thing is, I don't know, I enjoyed myself when I was baking. Anyway guys, I've come to the end of my video. If you need any of these products, if you are looking for where to get your original and authentic skincare products, I'm here for you. You can DM me through Instagram, okay, or you can send me through Facebook, but my Instagram handle will always be in the description box. Okay, this is just a demonstration to show you guys how I do my simple skincare routine in the morning. And also, if you're looking to start, you can just start with this. Don't go and add a lot of products on your routine. It's going to break your skin barrier. Okay, I have suffered it. In fact, right now I'm just trying to recover from it. So don't try to add a lot of products in your routine. Just use your cleanser. And cleanser, especially this type, you don't have to use it every day. Anyone that have salicylic acid, you don't have to use it every day. Your cleanser, your toner, your hydrating, whatever, put it on, and you wear your sunscreen. In that way, your skin is going to glow. Please, before I go, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe. Always give a thumbs up to this video, because the more you're giving thumbs up, the more people are seeing it and they will still watch the video. Okay, just give this video a thumbs up and I will come back with another good video. Okay, bye.